the newest member of the Ford family of reproduction body shells, the 1940 Ford Coupe. The 40 is a very iconic vehicle. It has a great graceful sloping body. It has split front and rear windows, and it was one of the first with flush mounted headlights. This body is precision assembled in the USA using precision fixtures and modern welding techniques. Ford licensed products means that we have inspected the product itself or the parts, and we have authorized and certified that these meet the Ford standard. You can buy the body with less doors and less trunk lid and various parts, but you can also order it with those components installed. If you buy the cab only without the trunk lid attached and without the doors, you're looking at about $12,000. With the doors and the trunk lid, you're looking at about $15,000. Ford has always felt that the enthusiasts deserve to have good quality parts available to restore their vehicles, and the restoration program allows us to do just that. We take restoration parts and check them against the original blueprints to ensure that the parts meet or exceed the original part that they reproduce. As a result, we know that the fit, finish, and function will be identical to the original part.